'n Johannesburgse radioomroeper het aan ligte hipotermie gelei na 'n poging om 'n swemtog van Robben Eiland na Bloubergstrand aan te pak. Sam Cowan van Highveld Stereo 94.7 het op Woensdag 22 Januarie die 7,5 km swemtog met die oopwaterswemmers Karen Strydom en Roger Finch aangepak. Sy kon skaars loop toe sy na 3 ure by die water uitgekom het. Strydom vertel dat die swemtog aanvanklik maklik was.
First bit was okay, the middle was tough. The middle was the tough part. And then the end was easier. As soon as you see the sea start getting lighter, you realize you're getting shallower. And there was this little seal swimming around under my tummy like this. And that was like amazing, really amazing.
Finch was duidelik aangedaan na die swemtog, wat in temperature van tussen 10 en 13 grade Celsius plaasgevind het.
It was great. Temperature dropped right. Well, it was cold all the way, but right at the end was 9-10 degrees, and the strong will got them through. Done me proud.
Cowan was te swak om na haar tog met die media te praat, maar het teen laat die middag ten volle herstel.